Factory design pattern is one of the creation and design pattern, and as the name suggests, it uses factory class to create other classes of same type. Let's say we have laptop which is extended by brands like Dell, MacBook and HP. And if a user need to get a laptop of type Dell, it need to create it by itself and pass all the required configuration. Similarly, user need to be aware of the parameters required for MacBook configuration, and there can be n number of users. And suppose any configuration got changed in Mac class, then all the users need to change their configuration parameters. Instead, we can have a laptop factory which will provide the required brand to each user. So let's jump into code and see how we can implement factory pattern in Java. We have a design pattern class which is actually the user. Next, we will create a laptop class which is of type abstract and have an abstract method getConfiguration which will return me the configuration of all that particular brand. Then we can create a HP class and extend laptop class. And in the constructor, we will set RAM size and processor type which is of type string. In real scenario, it will be a processor object. For simplicity, I will keep everything as string and set the private variables this.ram equals to RAM size, this.processor equals to processor type. We will override the toString method, and getConfiguration will return the string of configuration that is set. We will copy and paste the HP class and create Dell class and change the logs to Dell. Similarly, we will create Mac class and return MacBook configuration. Now, in the user class, we want to use Dell laptop. For that, we need to pass the RAM size and processor type. Similarly, for Dell and MacBook too. We will pin the get configuration and toString for each of the laptop type. When we run it, we can see the respective configurations are printed successfully. Now, suppose the configuration to get Mac object got changed and we need to pass GPU type in order to get a Mac object. In that case, we need to update all our user classes. To overcome such scenarios, we can rely on laptop factory class which will provide me the desired laptop object. For better programming practice, we will create an enum of value HP, Dell and Mac. And in the factory class, we will implement getLaptop method which is of type static which will take laptop type and return the respective laptop object. And if not found, it will return null. So if it is a Dell, it will return Dell object with its configuration. For Mac, it will create a Mac object and return the same. Similarly for HP laptop too. And from caller method, we can call laptop factory dot get laptop and pass what type of laptop we want, like Dell or Mac or HP. And when we run it, we can see the respective objects are printed successfully. And if we change the Mac configuration, we just need to update the factory class and there will be no changes in any of the user classes. Main advantage of factory pattern is that it removes the burden of object creation from the client code. That's all for this tutorial. Don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to CodeSpace. For any queries, write in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.